All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Wednesday. Blessings to everybody in the still pray you and your family are super blessed. Down to the wire, this is the make it or break it zone. We're going to be talking about exactly what's going to happen, so make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell for notifications, because we are bringing you the juiciest Bitcoin live streams on the internet, period, man. I mean, where else are you going to find a dang Pikachu hat, plunger on the face, walking on a treadmill, sweating with a market Cipher shirt? Nowhere, I'll tell you that. Nowhere else. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. First of all, a major shout out to J-Boy Bullish. He says long and short at the same time and posts the winner. That's the trick for us crypto influencers. Long and short at the same time and just post the winner. Shout out to J Armo, shout out to Free Will, shout out to Splashfire Films, shout out to Tony D. Lorenzo. Shout out to Alex Nebo, shout out to Juju, and shout out to David T. Shout out to Prolet Atanasova. Bless the shoulders, the delts, baby. The juicy delts. Gotta get a good flex in, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Send, he says, Jesus hates you. Ouch! Well, that hurts my heart, my friend. Shout out to Juice, he says, morning, Jay. Blessings, brother. Shout out to A. Brooking. Shout out to Jason Westfall, he says, love the music. Shout out to Static Attack Crypto. Can I has a shout out? Absolutely. And shout out to Crypto Savvy as well. Shout out to Send. He says, way better investments out there than this manipulates shite. Or shite. I'm not sure how to say it. Do bears just come to these live streams to hate? I feel like 99% of the bears aren't even in Bitcoin. They just like to hate, LOL. Alright, Bitcoin down to the wire. I mean, seriously, guys. Bitcoin is down to the wire. We're going to be talking about what has to happen here, because we are indeed, well, we're getting a bit of a rejection here from some key resistance. Rejection from some key resistance. Alright, so let's take a look. We're going to head on over to, and first of all, we're going to head on over to TradingView. But guys, make sure to like the stream, because if we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we'll be giving away 1,000 USDT. So let's check it out here, guys. Bitcoin still got the long open, baby. $166,000 long trade. Alright. Still open, and the reason why this trade is still open is because we have come down to the very, very important zone of support, which is this, right? This key level that we had on our chart, the daily order block right here, getting a bounce right from the level, like to the dang dollar, all right? Now, we've had a very important area on our chart for quite some time now, and that is none other than the value area low of the range. Why is this so key? Well, because if this is really a breakdown, all right, a super heavy breakdown from like a 2008, 2007 deathcore band, all right? Don't even push any frets on the guitar. All open. Dun, 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 dun. Maybe sometimes they play just the first fret on the first string only, and it's like dun, 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 dun. You know, you guys know what I'm saying. You metalheads from the mid 2000s, you know what I'm talking about. This is gonna be a real breakdown. All right. Then we're gonna lose it, and we're gonna back test it, and then we're gonna continue down even more. And so this was the main key area of resistance that we had to be aware of, which is why in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, we gave the short from that area. The short trade currently still open over on BLOFIN. Speaking of shilling exchanges, guys, I'm officially now a BLOFIN shill. The reason why is because this is one of the few exchanges out there that does not require KYC. So I'm actually going to be trading on BLOFIN now, all right? Took the short trade, locked in some profits on this, you know, a good 3K, and now we've got the rest open. Because here's the thing, guys. Shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord. By the way, if you do want to sign up for BLOFIN, speaking of shilling, I forgot to shill. This is what they're offering people who sign up under my link. If you're interested, look, if you're not interested, don't sign up. But if you're interested, they actually do have some pretty good rewards up here. 15% cashback deposit bonus, plus a whole bunch of prizes you could potentially win. Link in the description. All right. So, back to the chart. The thing is, this level right here could be a massive opportunity for Bitcoin to dump lower, because failure to reclaim $63,000 could actually result in us coming down to take this low. Right now, our last hope is going to be this. We pull our Fibonacci from the low to the high, and we are coming back down to retest this very important area right here. All right, this very, very important area right here between the golden pocket and the 786. If this does not hold, I become very fearful and scared that Bitcoin is going to go for the low right down here at around 56.5K. If Bitcoin does go for that low of 56.5, this is, oh man, it's not a good thing, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why, all right? Let's just remember that we have potentially here, the thing that's been keeping us hopeful is the potential inverted head and shoulders, right? The potential inverted head and shoulders. If we cannot even reclaim the value area low, then we have to recognize the fact that there's no support until the low 50s. That right? So we could see from where we're at another drop of about 13%. If we go to the weekly chart, right? We really don't have any support. Besides that little support at the low 50s, we don't have much support until the mid 40s. So there is the potential here. We could see a move back, another 30% drop to the downside. Now, the reason I say this is because I'm not trying to fearmonger. I'm not trying to spread FUD, all right? I'm trying to be realistic about the chart. The realistic about the chart is the fact that the monthly is looking shady, all right? It's not looking the best. And I've been watching this range here because if we can, as long as we're not closing weekly candles below around that $61.2 thousand level, as long as we're still maintaining this range here with the weekly closes, then it really doesn't matter what happens in the range, and we trade the range. However, if we start to close the weekly candles below this level, we have to acknowledge the fact that we do have bearish divergences here on the weekly chart. Locally, right? We've got the bearish divergences here on the weekly chart, right? If we're going to take it from these highs right here to these highs, and more so on the monthly chart, we've got this pretty gnarly bear div here, right? We've even got bearish divergences on the daily. It's not looking so great. Now on the monthly chart, Bitcoin's taking a dump, guys. It's taking a dump. Oh my. All right, so we interrupt this technical analysis to take a quick look at Bitcoin on a low time frame here. Oh man. Now look, here's the thing. This monthly momentum wave right here, we do not want this thing to cross below the 60 line on market Cipher B. All right. If we start to close weekly candles below 61.3K, it's going to push the momentum lower. And then we just have to recognize the fact that we have some pretty bearish looking stuff on the chart. Now, my hope has been this daily. The fact that the daily bottomed out nice and big down here, the fact that we got a nice hidden bullish divergence down here, that was making me hopeful for a move to the upside. And so, as the price is coming down to this key area retest, we need to watch to see how this candle closes, because so far it's not a good look for Bitcoin. So far, it looks like we have been rejected once again by the value area low. All right, the Val. Now, Val is a beautiful girl. All right. And she's way out of our league, guys. All right. She's way out of our league. And so, of course, she's going to reject us. All right. Val couldn't believe I asked her out. She said, Jason, I'm so out of your league. Ain't no way I'll go out with you, boy. Scary stuff, man. Scary stuff. So yeah, this is down to the wire right here, guys. This is down to the dang wire for this Bitcoin price action. And I'll be honest, as I always try to be, even if we get a significant move to the downside, I hate to say it, but it's not really bearish. It's not super bearish, guys, unless we actually lose this, right? Because, and this is a catastrophic pullback, right? This could be a catastrophic. I'm not trying to spread FUD, but here's the reality. If we're not going to hold the low 50s and we're not going to hold the low 40s, look at how quick of a move this was to the upside. On the monthly chart, the only area of support that we really have is back down at the 30s, which could be a very intense 47% drop to the downside. Now, this, if we pull a fib from low to high, we can see that that area is very strong support. And if the bull market is going to continue, if it is, if we're going to see Bitcoin hit new all-time highs, this could be the mother of all supports. I mean, very bullish. Very bullish, right? But we'll have to cross that bridge when we get there, right? I'm not saying we're going to go down there. I'm just saying on the monthly chart, that retest of around the, around 30 something. Wow. I mean, if we're going to be looking at this as a sideways range, right? If we're just going to objectively look at the chart and say we've got our resistance, we've got our support, right? We had our bullish deviation below. We come back up to resistance, and then we come back down to the support. I'm just saying, I'm just throwing it out there, right? Do I want Bitcoin to go to 30K? No, heck no. That would literally cut in half my, our portfolios here. That's not what we want. But either the bull market's going to continue or it's not. Historically speaking, based on the data here, when we take a look at the halvings, historically speaking, we have more time until that all-time high comes in. Historically speaking here, we have more time until that all-time high comes in. That's all I can say, guys. That's all. That's all I can say. All right, let's check it out. How's oh my goodness, she's dumping, guys. She's dumping. Make sure to smash up the like. Oh my goodness. So Val, yeah, Val. A Black Swan, yeah. Turd Ferguson says no way that's happening. Chris says 30K impossible, guys. All right, all the people who are saying 30K is impossible, you are the reason why 30K is possible. All right, the people who say it can never happen are the reason it can happen. All right. You people are ruining it right now. The very fact that you are typing this into your computer is somehow, through this intricate, complex creation that we live in, you are causing the Bitcoin price to go to $30,000. All right. Just like how when Bitcoin's pumping and you hit that long button, the quantum physics chain reaction of nucleus in the molecules of the atoms of the universe cause that to be the exact top as soon as you hit that long button in a pump. The fact that you are typing this into your computer is programming into the creation that Bitcoin's gonna dump All right, so stop with that stuff, man. Stop with that. All right. Yeah, Divine Hood says keep it simple. Yeah, and the simple reality is now that we've rejected from that value area low, now that Val has rejected us, downside is more probable now. This is not a good look for Bitcoin at these highs. All right, that is not a good look, man. And what makes it even worse of a look is the monthly and the weekly. The daily was looking real good. This was real good. The reason why I'm freaking out right now is because go and backtest these green dots here on Market Cipher B, and you will see that they always give us a big push to the upside. If this is literally all we're going to get from a green dot, hidden bullish divergence in an uptrend, that is not good, man. All right, these green dots on Market Cipher B, we can go back and let's put a mark on every single one that we've had through the uptrend, right? We can even go back to the bear market. We can even go back to the bear market and see that these things have given us powerful moves to the upside, right? I mean, even in the midst of the bear market, these dots have always given us a big move to the upside. Let's see. We're gonna go back. All right. These dots have always given us a pretty significant move to the upside, even in the midst of the bear market. You know, we get a dot in the bear market and we get a 26% move to the upside. We get one in the bear market, we get a 12% move. You know, we get another one in the bear market, eventually results in a 41% move to the upside. This one here, 30% move to the upside. This one right here, in the bear market, guys, 40% move to the upside. Then we get into the bull market, and they're crazy, right? We get this one back in March, 60%. So if this is really all we're going to get here, guys, that is not a good look for Bitcoin. That is not a good look. All right? So this is really down to the wire, man. This is down to the wire. I really want to see this hold. What could save us? What could save us here? Let's talk about a few scenarios, because here's the thing. There are some scenarios that could play out here that would get me into a long trade, a fresh long trade. All right, scenario number one would simply be taking out the first low with a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and when we go lower than the daily, we're also seeing the same deal, right? If we're seeing the 4-hour time frame looking like the way it looks now, let's say we get a big dip down here, a big wick, and then a quick reclaim. If this is still happening on the 4-hour time frame, where we're seeing the momentum and the money flow tick up, this could save us. This could save us. But if we don't see that, and we see like similar to what we saw over here, because remember, as we were grinding down to this support, I was getting bullish. I was saying, look, bullish divs forming, 4-hour looking good. And then when we lost it, we lost it. And we did not, we lost that divergences. They were invalidated across all time frames. So right now we're seeing something similar happen here. We could see a move to the downside and a reclaim of this level with bullish divergences, and that could save us. But at the same time, if we start to invalidate these divergences, man, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. All right. Now, again, we are in between the golden pocket and the 786. That's why I'm still in this long trade, man. I'm still in the long trade. Still in the long trade, baby. All right, make sure to smash the likes, because we've only got 200 very far away from a discount. Crypto Friend is expecting bullishness in late 2025. That's interesting. Discount times ahead. Genish Doob says we haven't seen any quick flush and we need to. And that's another good point. This bull market does stand apart from the others in the sense that we have not seen that big flush that we typically get, and typically we get that big flush before or right around the halving. But today we have not. All right, this cycle we have not. All right, what do the fibs say if we pull them from February 23rd, 2024 to the all-time high? February 23rd, 2024 to the all-time high? Let's see. Let's see what the fibs say. Well, we're bouncing from that zone. We got our first bounce right here, a nice looking bounce, and now we're retesting. So this literally is the make it or break it zone, man. This is why I have not closed out the long, right? But this is a make it or break it zone. I mean, if there's any hope of bullishness here, I mean, it's the introverted head and shoulders pattern. We're still holding out. We're still hanging on. We're still holding and hanging. We're holding and hanging. Yeah. Divine Hood says we also saw a new all-time high before the halving. That's new, so maybe we won't follow the 4-year cycle. May the thought perish, Divine Hood! But I know, it's been in the back of my mind as well. Trader Geo out here being bearish. A perma-bear. Trader Geo, you are a perma-bear, bro. Alright? I know your ways. I've watched your YouTube channel. You're a perma-bear. Trader Geo secretly looks up to Gareth Salloway. Trader Geo was thinking about getting a man bun. It's Trader Geo's fault that Bitcoin's dumping because Trader Geo keeps shorting the all-time highs to the exact dollar, pushing the price down because he's a mega whale, shorting Bitcoin with billions and trillions of dollar-sized positions over on BLOFIN, link in the description. Ways of the Jedi says, me saying it's to make it or break it, so it's just as bad as saying 30K will not happen. Man, yeah, you're probably right, bro. You're probably right. You're probably right. Alright. Shout out to Simps. Shout out to Kalechi, my man. Shout out to Follow Baba. Shout out to Cyrus. Shout out to Crypto Lifer. Shout out to Sam Price. The Video Kingdom says, yo, Trader Geo, if you sell your Bitcoin today and buy back tomorrow at 30K, how many Bitcoin would you have? Man, if I sold all my Bitcoin today and bought back at 30K, I would double my Bitcoin, right? That's crazy. Alright, shout out to Trader Geo. Look, I love Trader Geo. He's the man. Alright, no hate, no disrespect to Trader Geo. I love Trader Geo. He's the man. But, you know, shout out to My Crypto Goods. What's going on, bro? Shout out to Brandon Keys. He's looking for 53.3. 53.3. Yeah. Gareth Salloway's making money. Hey, I have no hate to Gareth Salloway. None at all, alright? I just think it's funny that he's been bearish, and so, you know, it's been, you know, everyone knows he's been bearish since, like, I don't know what, 45, I don't know. So it's just a, it's all in good fun, my friend. Alright. Alright. One green 4-hour candle, and we will all talk of 80K. Look, for me, the only level that matters to me right now, guys, is $63,000. That's really all that matters, is 63,000. 63K. is the level that we must reclaim. And then I will be talking about 80K. Because the whole entire premise of this low here is that it's a higher low from this. Right? The whole entire premise of me longing this area is that I am looking for it. I am looking for that. But so far, she's showing me rejection. Smack in the face. Jason Casper, what a disgrace. Flopping and groping all over the place. I mean, would you look at that face? Have you ever been to a dentist? Look at those teeth. No, I've never been to a dentist. I live off grid. We don't have dentists out here. Shout out to Divine Hood. Yeah, Garrett Sally man bun pattern for the win. Alright, shout out to Trader Geo. He just trades the range. Shout out to Mason. He says every time he watches the my channel, the price goes down. Well, bro, you should have been watching over in this time. But hey, if you just subscribed over here, my friend, stick around, because at some point, every time you watch, price is gonna pump, baby. Man, the people watching my channel back in these days, I'll tell you, we were doing good back in those days. Oh man, but look, Bitcoin's holding support. She's holding on. She's hanging on. She's hanging on here for dear life. Okay. What time zone I am? I'm in the where I am. It's always a time of peace and blessings. Praise God. What if rather than being a big inverse head and shoulders, it could be a big W? What do you mean, making a higher low? You mean something like this? I mean, that technically is an inverse head and shoulders. Higher low and then bam. Yeah, you know, something else it could be. There's a lot of things it could be right now. Right? It could be this too. Right? It could be this too. So, we're going to have to just wait and see. What's with the end of the 90s video game music? Shout out to Robert Jones. You know, I keep getting hit with copyrights. I keep getting hit with copyrights. That's the thing. But, I'm trying to find a new playlist. So right now I'm on this. Alright. Let's try Adventure Synthwave. Nice. A Jeep Cherokee. It's a coupe, too. I used to have one of those, man. Back in the day. This is some good inspirational music for the Bitcoin price as we come down to the support, looking for a bounce. This is some good video game music right here. You'll buy a Jeep Cherokee if we go to 100K. You know what's so funny? I almost impulse bought a 1980 something Jeep Cherokee that was like chilling on the side of the road. But I didn't buy it because they wouldn't accept a credit card. And I didn't want to go home and get cash. So I didn't buy it. And I'm glad I didn't buy it because, you know, What would I have ever driven at? First of all, I never leave my property. Never. Maybe once a week. Once a week I leave the property. And secondly, when I leave the property, I'm with my family. And I'm not going to take my family in a 1989 Jeep Cherokee. You know? Bitcoin's got a hold. This music is making me feel like we could hold. Alright, do we have bullish CVD absorption on a lower time frame? Let's check it out. Well, we do have bullish CVD, but the open interest is going down, which makes me say I wouldn't bet the farm on this, you know what I'm saying? I would not bet the farm on it. What's the ultimate strategy? Look, for me, the ultimate strategy is just take the trades as they come. And, you know, keep your losses small. Always assume the market will go against you and let the runners run. That's how I am. That's how I do. But yeah, so we do see CVD getting lower here. But we see a lot of, you know, we do see some shorts opening up in general. So yeah, you could look at this as bullish. You could look at this as bullish. You could look at it as bullish. Let's go, baby. You know, let's see if we can't get a little bit of a Bitcoin pump going on. Yeah, the ultimate strategy equals risk management for sure. Alright, let's sing the pump song. What the heck, man? I got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose. We'll sing the dang pump song. Let's sing the pump song. All right. All right. Now look, this song guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time. We're going to go down to 1 minute and we're going to witness the Bitcoin price pump. All right? Now, it works most of the time, but sometimes it does have a delayed effect. All right. Here we go, baby. It's already working. It's already working. Here we go, baby. Let's pump. Yeah. Here we go! Whoa, it's already dumping! Come on! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! We're gonna dump, no one's gonna pop! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Let's pop! Here we go. Come on, Bitcoin, don't dump on me now. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. No one's gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Alright, it's working, guys. We got a blue candle popping over here on the 1 minute time frame. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell for notifications, and tell your mom and your sister and your brother and your father and your uncle and all your friends to come like the stream. Bitcoin going straight to 100K, baby. Come on, baby. You know, Val rejected us, but we've been working on ourselves. We've been going to the gym, trying to get those gains, so maybe she'll date us, because everyone knows that having muscles makes all girls want to date you, right? Isn't that how it works? No, it's not how it works. I wasted all the time at the gym.
We're gonna top, never gonna pop. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna top, never gonna pop. We're gonna top. We're gonna die. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. 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 We pump a Bitcoin, baby. Yeah. We pump a Bitcoin, baby. Yeah. We pump a Bitcoin, baby. Yeah. We pump a Bitcoin. Yeah, we gonna die. No, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we gonna die. No, we're gonna pump right now.
Alright, it's working, baby. It's working. Whoa! It's working.
Yo!
We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle.
We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. And now we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Yeah, we're pumping. Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Yeah.
Here we go, baby. It's a bull flag on the 1 minute.
Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100K. We're pumping Bitcoin. We're going straight up to 100K. 100. Yeah. We're gonna pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle. Pump the Bitcoin straight to 100K. Let me see a blue candle.
Shout out to Val, the girl that broke my heart.
Let me see a blue candle.
Shout out to Carl from the moon over on ByBit, baby.
Let me see a blue candle. Now we're pumping straight to the moon. Now we're pumping straight to the moon.
Alright, let's slow this down. There we go. Yeah, nice and groovy.
Let's pump the Bitcoin going straight up to 100K. Let's go. Let's pump this Bitcoin. We're pumping straight up to 100K. 100K. We're going straight up to 100K. 100.
All right, baby. We're about to break out this dang bull flag right here, right now. Whew. See, we're breaking out. See, the pump song works. See? I told you. I told you. You know, it's still a bull flag. It's not over until the fat lady sings, alright? See, during the song, it kept pumping, but now it's not. See, that's the thing here. Alright? That's how we roll in the Casper crew. Shout out to the Casper crew. Corn side, baby. Yeah. Capo just tweeted legit. He tweeted legit. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. I hope we can get a little pump, alright? I hope we can get a little pump. Alright. Whew, man, the adrenaline for this one, guys, it's got me going crazy. Well, shout out to Kamayu for the super chat. God bless you, man. Thank you so much for the super chat. Thanks for the pump song. You just made me $7 on the massive 1 minute bull flag breakout. Awesome, bro. That's what I'm here for, baby. Alright. Let me just see if we have any other super chats in the house so I don't miss anybody. Shout out to Kamayu. Appreciate you, bro. And you gave me 5. You made 7 and gave me 5. That's what we're here for, bro. Oh no, breaking down. I'm getting a little bit sad. I'm getting a little bit sad. Alright, guys. What do you think? You think we're gonna pump? You think we're gonna dump? You know, we did the pump song. It did its job a little bit. Now we're coming back down to the support. It's painful. It's painful. Alright, Biden is selling. Shout out to Bitcoin. Shout out to stop overdosing the pre-workout. Man, I'll be honest with you. All I had today was, I didn't even finish my cup of coffee, guys. And it's half cap. You know, it's half cap. I'm just, life energizes me, guys. Life energizes me. Alright, Capo just tweeted. Alright, let's see what he tweeted. It looks like he didn't tweet. I don't see any tweets here. Alright. Alright. C4 straight to the head, man. Yeah, always overdose on pre-workout. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Biden cannot sell because he has forgotten that he has it. Jack 3D original formula. Everyone dumping, bouncing from local fib. Pump, baby. Alright, guys. Look. It's about... Shout out to Jason Casper's gay. Oh, man. Doing push-ups in the squat rack, baby. Curling and push-upping in the squat rack. Guys, I'm gonna head out, man. I got a lot of work to do on the homestead right now. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, may the Lord Jesus bless you and your family. I'm gonna head out, guys, and I'll be back. And we'll see if this long trade is dead or alive, right? We'll see if the pump song worked. Remember, it has a delayed effect. Peace, guys.